effect, causes and meaning, and specifically I will present the causes, effects and meaning. Okay, first I will present the meaning of tsunami or what is tsunami. The word tsunami is comprised of the Japanese word. The su meaning is harbor and nami meaning waves. Okay, the tsunami is a series of enormous waves created by an underwater disturbance, usually associated with earthquakes that occurring below or near the sea, in the ocean or sea. In the ocean, waves travel at a speed of 800 km per hour and are a few tens of centimeters high. Okay, in the ocean, normally the waves are generated by the wind. Okay, next I will discuss causes of tsunamis. There are different kind of events can produce a tsunami. The least probable but still possible cause is the impact of an asteroid and meteors is in the sea. But the most frequent causes is underwater disturbance, earthquakes, volcanic disturbance, and landslides. Not all earthquakes can generate tsunami, but to generate a tsunami, the fault where the earthquakes occur must be underneath or near the ocean. Next is landslide, resulting in ice falls, rock falls, and underwater submarine landslides. The most notable example, a landslide is induced tsunami can be traced to southern France in 1980s, where the movement of a significant amount of earth for the construction of airport trigger and underwater landslides, which result in destructive tsunami and have hitting the harbor of Thebes. Okay. The next causes is extraterrestrial collision. The extraterrestrial collision is caused by asteroid and meteorites. An extremely rare occurrence. Although no meteors and asteroid-induced tsunami have been recorded in the recent history, but scientists realized that if these celestial bodies should strike the ocean, a large volume of water would undoubtedly be displaced to cause a tsunami. The last causes is volcanic eruptions. Okay, although relatively infrequent, volcanic disturbance can generate waves by sudden displacement of water caused by a volcanic explosion. Since 1819, over 14 tsunamis was struck the Hawaiian Islands. One of the largest and the most destructive tsunami is generated in August 26, 1883, where after the explosion generate waves that reached the 135 feet, destroyed coastal towns and villages around the Standard Strait in both islands of Java and Sumatra, and killed over 40,000 of people. Okay. Finally, my final point is the effects of tsunami. There are different kinds of effects. The first effect is a destruction. The amount of energy and water contained in a huge tsunami can cause extreme destruction. When it strikes the lands, objects, buildings are destroyed by the sheer weight of water, and large objects such as ships, boulders can carry away several miles inland before the tsunami subsides. The next effect is death. One of the biggest and the worst effect to the human life is human life, because unfortunately escaping a tsunami is nearly impossible. Hundreds and thousands of people are killed by the tsunami. Since 1815 alone, tsunami has been responsible for the loss of more than 430,000 lives. People living in towns, villages have no time to escape from the tsunami. Okay, the tsunami of December 2004 that struck Southeast Asia and East Africa killed over 31,000 people in Sri Lanka only, and leaving 23,000 injured. The next effect is disease. Flooding and contamination of drinking water can cause disease to spread in tsunami, and So infection and illness can be spread very quickly and cause more death. The next effect is environmental impacts. Tsunami not only destroy the human life but have devastating effects on insects, animals, plants and nature resources. The tsunami changes the landscape. Land animals are killed by drowning and sea animals are killed by pollution if dangerous chemicals are washed away into sea, thus poisoning marine life. Okay. The last effect is cost. The massive cost hit communities and nations. Reconstruction and clean after the tsunami is huge cost of problem. The total financial cost of the tsunami could be millions or even billions dollars of damage, coastal towns and their habitats. Okay, in the conclusion, I have discussed what is tsunami, causes of tsunami and effects of tsunami. Perhaps now you are informed about the devastating impacts of tsunamis can have on their lives, on those who find themselves in the path of one. Okay, until this is my presentation.
Okay.